Have intimate moments become less enjoyable than they once were? Are you experiencing discomfort instead of pleasure? Or perhaps unexpected leaks that wreck your confidence? Many women silently accept these changes as a part of getting older. But here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we know this doesn't have to be your story. Hi, I'm Lindsey Cieslak, an APRN here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the O Shot, a revolutionary solution for women's intimate wellness. The O Shot, or Orgasm Shot, is a non-surgical treatment that uses platelet-rich plasma from your own blood to naturally rejuvenate the vaginal and clitoral tissues. It's designed specifically for women experiencing intimate challenges that affect their quality of life. In just one 30-minute session with minimal discomfort and zero downtime, you can begin to experience the results that last up to 18 months. These results include stronger orgasms, increased sensitivity, improved lubrication, and better bladder control. But the most powerful change, the confidence that radiates through every aspect of your life. At the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we believe in treating you as a whole person, not just your symptoms. Your journey to renewed intimate wellness starts with a private consultation where we'll discuss your specific concerns and create a specialized treatment plan. Don't let intimate challenges hold you back from living your fullest life. Schedule your confidential consultation today by calling 407-507-3837.